In front of me is Oukitel WP35 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in OS Launcher 18 and download free app from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started, select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Now tap on While using and Allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add. Tap on this icon at the top right corner of an ad to hide it and manage all of those options however you want to. When you finish, hit Set as Default, tap on Launcher Pro and wait. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can do that by going back to the same app, tapping Set as Default and choosing Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!